Hello everyone. We have been discussing post-colonial theory for long. We have discussed certain theories, at the same time books which are concerned with this. Today we are going to have a practical criticism. How this theory can be applied to a poem, this is more important because when you're writing a paper, it becomes very important to have the examples. And this is what we are going to do today in the lecture. Today we are going to have post-colonial reading of poems Byzantium and Sailing to Byzantium, that is written by W.B. Yeats. So we have Sailing to Byzantium that was published in 1927. We have Byzantium that was published in 1932. This very title, Byzantium and Sailing to Byzantium, is talking about a place which is Istanbul. Istanbul is a place which is known for intellectual activities. And somewhere, if we try to understand in deep, we'll find this is the love that he has for his own country, that is Ireland. W.B. Yeats belongs to Ireland. And this intellectual country that he's talking about here, his own country is that somewhere we can talk about, is the pre-colonial state of his country, that is Ireland. Now it is colonized. And this state of being colonized is something that he despises. He does not like this. He says this state he does not like, which are because everything which is happening in the modern era is cut off intellectuality, art, and literature. It has come to become a place for non serious activities. Sensuality has gone up. Lovers, birds, young people are making love, but there is no one who are doing actually intellectual activities. That's why he, being a writer, is saying that we have to go back to Byzantium. This going back and sailing to Byzantium is representing the desire to go back to pre-colonial state of Ireland. And this is what Orientalism Edward Said talks about. At the same time, we have Franz Fanon when he says that we have to go back and reclaim our past in order to be decolonized. So decolonization is a process that is possible only when you go for your own past. And this is what he is trying to do through the poems. He despises the present condition of the country, which is colonized state, and wants to go back to the pre-colonial state, which is a state of intellectuality, which he is celebrating. Colonial countries have always tried to make colonized space feel inferior and feel like wild. And that's how they have made us forget our history and culture. So he wants that people of Ireland should again go back to their past and reclaim their past in order to be intellectuals and the people of pride. And this is how this can be a post colonial reading. I hope you got it. Thank you very much for today.